Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to change price in Bigcommerce. The first thing you want to do once on your Bigcommerce dashboard, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select products. After selecting products, you are going to see a list of all the products that are currently on your Bigcommerce website, as you can see right here. Now all you will need to do is tap on the product that you would like to change the price for. So let's say, for example, this product. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the product page. Then all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on pricing. Once you have tapped on pricing, you will see the default price. So let's say, for example, I would like to change the price to $30. All I would have to do is fill in the $30 right there. Then after doing that, you could scroll down, and if you had different variants, you could increase the price for each variant. Then you'll tap on save in the bottom right hand corner, and that's it. So now the price has changed, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.